Welcome to the best picks. The best antifungal cream is probably one of the most effective solutions for treating Tinea Versicolor, a common skin condition caused by fungal overgrowth. This video dives into the best options available, exploring their active ingredients, application methods, and how they work to restore your skin's natural tone. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed choice and get you on the path to clearer, healthier skin. Number 5. Terrasil Clotrimazole Antifungal Cream. Are you suffering from a fungal infection? This cream is designed to provide fast and effective relief. It is suitable for both men and women. This cream contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It effectively treats athlete's foot, ringworm, and other fungal infections. This product uses activated minerals, developed over 20 years. This technology helps to treat, protect, and support skin healing. This cream is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. It is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It is safe for even the most sensitive skin. This cream is formulated with natural ingredients for safe and effective results. It also moisturizes and soothes irritated skin. It is FSA/HSA eligible. What we like. This cream is clinically proven to treat various fungal infections. It uses natural ingredients to provide fast, soothing relief. If you are looking for a product that is both effective and gentle on your skin, you should consider this one. What people say. It alleviated the problem within a week. It's better than years, yes, years, of prescription powders, creams, and gels. It does work eventually. Number 4. Terrasil Clotrimazole Antifungal Cream. Are you suffering from fungal infections? This cream contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It provides fast, soothing relief for burning, itchy, and irritated skin. Terrasil with clotrimazole effectively cures most fungal skin infections. It's designed for both men and women, and it works on various skin conditions. This product is a reliable solution for your needs. This antifungal treatment cream utilizes activated minerals. These minerals, combined with other ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It's a unique formula backed by extensive research. Terrasil provides additional therapeutic benefits with natural ingredients. It moisturizes cracking and damaged skin, offering relief from itching and soreness. The product is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. This product is formulated with select natural ingredients for safe, effective results. It's also FSA/HSA eligible, making it a convenient choice. This is a great option for those seeking a natural approach. What we like. This cream is clinically proven and uses natural ingredients. It is also available in a larger size, providing more value. If you have a larger area to treat or prefer to buy in bulk, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It alleviated the problem within a week. It's better than years, yes, years, of prescription powders, creams, and gels. It does work eventually. Number 3. McKesson Miconazole Nitrate Antifungal Cream. This cream provides relief from the discomfort caused by jock itch, ringworm, and athlete's foot. It helps soothe the affected areas, reducing itching, burning, and cracking. It is designed for the treatment of common fungal infections. This cream effectively combats athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm, helping you get back to feeling comfortable. The cream works to improve skin infections caused by yeast. It helps to reduce skin damage, especially in areas prone to moisture, providing much-needed relief. This antifungal cream moisturizes the skin while also reinforcing the affected area. It can be a helpful supplement during incontinence or wound drainage, offering comfort. Each tube contains 4 ounces of the cream. It's a convenient size for managing fungal infections and providing relief from related health concerns. What we like. This cream contains 2% miconazole nitrate, a proven antifungal agent. Its moisturizing formula helps relieve itching, burning, and cracking. If you are looking for a cream that not only treats the infection but also soothes and moisturizes your skin, you should choose this one. What people say. It seems to work quite quickly and applies easily with minimal mess. This tube is also much larger than what I can buy at the store, probably 2-3x the amount, and the price is reasonable. Really works. Best stuff that keeps under breasts clear of rash. Number 2. Terrasil Tinea Treatment Cream and Soap Kit. This is Terrasil Tinea Treatment, a powerful solution for fungal infections. It contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients to soothe and relieve your skin. This treatment is effective for tinea versicolor, ringworm, and athlete's foot. It's designed for all skin types and can be used on various parts of your body. Complementing the cream, the tinea soap provides daily care. It contains natural ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter, along with antifungal agents, for optimal relief. Terrasil uses a unique, patented technology with activated minerals. This, combined with select ingredients, effectively treats, protects, and supports skin healing. The product is made with natural ingredients and is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's formulated for even the most sensitive skin. Terrasil is made in the USA with the highest quality standards. It's FSA/HSA approved, ensuring you get the best care possible. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for tinea versicolor treatment and includes a tinea soap for daily care. It is made in the USA, ensuring high-quality standards. If you want a comprehensive treatment with a soap to enhance the effect, this is the one for you. What people say. I'd say I used the soap and cream once in the morning and again in the evening for 3 days, and it totally cleared up the large patches of tinea I had on my back and abdomen. Even separate uses works well, but most effective when used together. This set works great. All but my worst spots cleared within 3 to 4 days of using the treatment as described. Wash with soap, then apply ointment. Number 1. Terrasil Tinea Versicolor Treatment Cream. Introducing Terrasil Tinea Treatment, a powerful cream designed to combat fungal infections. It contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. This cream is effective for various tinea infections. This treatment is clinically proven to cure most tinea infections. It soothes and relieves itching, burning, and other discomforts. It also speeds up the healing of damaged skin. Terrasil utilizes a unique, patented technology with activated minerals. These minerals, combined with select ingredients, effectively treat and protect the skin. It also supports the skin's natural healing process. The cream includes natural ingredients like beeswax, tea tree oil, and jojoba seed oil. These ingredients provide additional therapeutic benefits. It is free of parabens, alcohols, and steroids, making it safe for sensitive skin. Terrasil is formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA. It adheres to the highest quality manufacturing standards. It is also FSA/HSA approved, offering you a convenient way to purchase it. What we like. This cream offers max strength and fast-acting relief. It's formulated with natural ingredients and is suitable for sensitive skin. If you like a powerful treatment that's also gentle and effective, you should consider it. What people say. This product worked great on my affected area. I have had to deal with it for 20 years, and this was the fastest topical treatment and more effective than other prescription-strength topical solutions. I used this product for the first time about a week and a half ago, and within 2 days I could tell a huge color difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.